tired of dealing with uncomfortable earwax buildup? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we will be sharing the ultimate guide to earwax removal, revealing some helpful tips and techniques to keep your ears clean and clear. First, it's important to understand that earwax is a natural substance that helps protect the ear canal from dust, bacteria, and other foreign particles. However, an excess buildup can lead to hearing loss and discomfort. One of the most common methods for earwax removal is using ear drops. These drops help soften the wax, making it easier to remove. Remember to follow the instructions on the packaging and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. For stubborn earwax, irrigation can be an effective technique. Using a bulb syringe or an earwax removal kit, you can gently flush out the wax with warm water. Always remember to use lukewarm water to avoid discomfort or injury. Caution should be exercised when using cotton swabs to clean your ears. Although they may seem effective, they can actually push the wax deeper into the ear canal and cause damage. It's best to avoid using them for earwax removal. If you're experiencing severe earwax blockage or discomfort, it's important to seek professional help. An audiologist or an ear, nose, and throat specialist can safely remove the wax using specialized tools or suction. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. By maintaining good ear hygiene and avoiding the use of objects like hairpins or bobby pins to clean your ears, you can reduce the risk of excessive earwax buildup. So, whether you choose ear drops, irrigation, or professional assistance, make sure to take care of your ears regularly. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to clear hearing. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.